What is going on? Boom. Ask you a question. You have to answer honestly. This world is kind of different from my old version of my world, but that's fine. Who are you? You never were here before, because I am the newcomer. I am insolence, curtain cats. Question: why did you kill one of my insolent friends? The Void. What did he do wrong to you? Wait, you're slowly rebuilding him? You almost killed us all. Oh, that makes sense. I kind of got killed for trying to destroy the world with the Biggie virus, but I realized that Biggie virus wasn't the right way to go. Will you join me, or will you not? No. I know how these deals work. I'm not going to do this at all. So it's the same in every single universe. No, they say no, I'm the first one, but then they come clawing back after they lose everything. What do you mean everything? You'll see.